outside, and I'm so excited for these babies right here. These are brand new. We're launching them right here. This is the first presentation ever, so congratulations. Today, it's a Black Friday deal. We never do free shipping on these. It's only because we have Black Friday shipping going on right now, free shipping. You're getting a 2-pack. They come individually boxed, so maybe you want to slap a bow on one and gift another. But this right here is a really wonderful, easy design. It's sleek, it's small. You're getting the design metal touch lamps, a set of 2 today. What I love about this is they're so lightweight that you can really bounce this light wherever you need it. You've got 3 different modes. So if you want warm light, great. You want daylight, okay. Or white, you choose. Flip it over. Now all of a sudden you can hang it if you need, or walk the dog if you need. This is gonna be that go-to task light. Have it outside in the patio, in the garage. You lose power during a storm, no problem. I know Halloween was last night. You could use it as a lantern. It really is that all-purpose light. And the fact that you get 2 is just extra sweet. Today at a Black Friday deal, $24.99 for 2, $5 on Flex gets it home. So we've got, what are we calling this one? We're calling this one bronze. Then we also have a silver colorway. And then we have the black. You really can't go wrong. You just pick your color and you're going to get 2. Chad Allen is here. I love when I get to work with you. And you're always bringing the fun and brand new.
Well, we definitely love the new here. You can hang it, you can hold it. Now it does flip all the way around, which is great. So this is one of the most versatile lanterns I think we've ever had. Hanging from a tree branch for all we care. But when you set it down, look what happens. All you do is tap. That's it. That's all. There is no buttons to push. If you can do this, no matter if you're touching the metal or the actual light itself, you're in control to choose what light temperature you want. Whether you're needle pointing or crafting and you need a more white daylight type of light, you can do that. Or you want the flattering candlelight type of light when you're having those outdoor dinners.
Ambiance.
Right, you bring it out to the table and then you go back in the house and it goes with you, it's portable. They take 3 AAA batteries. You do not have to recharge these.
We all have those. I have
yes.
tons of AA's and AAA's, and that's really nice. I don't have to worry about recharging it because not everybody likes to do that.
And there are places and times where I want to have rechargeable items. Some things I just want to put batteries in, especially when there's a power outage and I can't have electric to recharge things. So this is one of the easiest, most functional lanterns you're ever going to have. Now, what would be like, what would you normally use? You would use something like this, right? LEDs versus something that's much more elegant
and listen,
classier.
How heavy is this? This baby is like a feather. It's like under half, this is actually under half a pound.
Yeah, this one's heavy.
Oh, yeah.
Takes D batteries.
Oh, I don't have those.
Yeah, and then this one is lightweight, AAA batteries, easy to use. LED technology, this is LED technology also, but this just sips the power because of their SMD LEDs on the inside, which is the latest of the latest technology when it comes to LEDs. And you know Bell+Howell, been around 117 years. We know what we're doing when it comes to lighting. And if you just joined us and you're like, well, I saw it upside down. Well, you can definitely look at the way the video uses this because they can show you much more in this video than I could ever show you in a short presentation.
And wait, these are brand new. So you're first to get them. And I love when everybody gets in on hsn.com and starts writing reviews and talks about how they've used them in their daily life. Maybe you want to travel with them. You're going camping with the kids.
Look at that,
Look at, you can camp in the backyard with the kids.
And it doesn't get hot because they're LED, so it doesn't get hot. You can put them in your tent. The way you could hang that from the top of your tent, like she's holding it there.
That's such a good idea.
Flipping it around.
Like maybe you don't want a big, heavy flashlight to just walk the dog at night before you go to bed. Or bring it out to the patio. I love that idea with the lantern, in Halloween time, but it really is endless. I love it for maybe you want it on the top of your toilet in your bathroom in the middle of the night. You want a little bit of light. You can just tap that.
And it's metal. They're not plastic, okay? And so I'll just run back here for 1 second. What if I took the 2-pack and I just set them back here? Look how great that looks, right? And I know we have a Christmas tree. I know the lights still work in the house. But if I just want to have that dinner party and I have people over and I put it next to the presents, look without it. Okay, let me take this one away for a second. Watch this. I'm going to pull it away. That's what it looks like before. And then when I put it back down, doesn't it just add that, even if it's just your entryway?
Adds depth, and just, there's something about lighting.
Your friends come in and they go, Rebecca knows what she's doing, all right? All right,
I love it.
What if we just put one on this side table here? Maybe this could be, let's pretend this is an outdoor dining set, right?
That's exactly what I was thinking.
And then you put one right there. That changes the whole landscape. What about if you had a center table? The whole table is lit up. and I can, again,
Change
the lighting mode just by tapping. It's metal. You don't have to worry about this. There's even, the battery compartment even has a screw in the bottom.
Okay.
So you don't have to worry about your kids.
That's
You
nice.
put screws in those battery
Right.
compartments so kids can't access
I
the
know, I've got a
batteries.
3-year-old and a 1-year-old. I'm always worried about that. So
That's right.
you think of really everything. This is why
Yeah.
Bell+Howell is a leading brand. And you know, if you've got Bell+Howell at home, whether they're outdoor lights or just these functional lights that are like your task lights, you could use them for absolutely everything. They just are constantly innovating, listening to you at home on what you could use, what could help solve like just an everyday problem for you.
Yeah.
And then you give a sleek design at the same time.
And obviously this is like meant to be outside. And so if I just had a couple of ledges, if I had a balcony per se, and I put a couple outside of my ledge, my balcony,
Little apartment,
it adds
condo.
that touch of elegance. I'm not running an extension cord. I don't need an outlet. And at the end of the day, this is available for me with or without power, inside or outside. Metal construction, gonna last a long time. And here's what I know, Rebecca. If there's anybody to trust with lighting, I know I'm biased, but Bell+Howell has been doing it for a very long time. We've won Academy Awards for our lighting and our lenses.
Oh, 100%. And I have plenty at home as well. My husband's like, why did you get another light? I was like, oh, trust me, I'm creating a vibe here, or I need it for this. My future self is gonna thank me because we had multiple storms here in Florida recently. I didn't have power for 4 days. But if you have the batteries and you have these, I can actually see around my house. It's so lightweight, under half a pound, that I can take it around the house wherever I need it.
You could take the AAA batteries, and this isn't out of your remote control if you had to.
In a pinch.
Yes, that's why I really love when we make an item that takes AAA batteries, because remote controls have them, toys have them. You could use those in an emergency if you didn't have new batteries. That's where it comes in handy when you're talking about power outages. Hurricane season was just here in Florida. We're wrapping it up, hopefully.
Blizzard season's gonna be happening in where I'm from, up in Connecticut. And I need to let you know really quickly before we just show you all the features again. This is it. This is the first presentation. I have only about 1,500, Kyle, to go around with all of my colors. 1,400 now, because these are starting to fly. Congratulations. Once they're gone, they're not coming back. This is a chance to like really get them right now. This is once they're sold out, we're not getting them again. You get the warm light. I love that you get options too. You didn't have to do that.
No.
Warm, that daylight option, and that really, really bright white if you need it.
Yeah, which is going to come in handy when you're trying to get this close to like where you may be pulling a splinter out with tweezers. You can get your finger right.
Or you're in the garage working on something and you need like to really be able to see.
It's a diffused light, so it's not harsh on your outdoor dining table or your indoor dining table. It's not that light that's shining into your eyeball because it has this sort of filter all around it. And it really just is the most elegant lantern I think we've ever designed. In fact, we're wrapping this up. Bell+Howell by Design is our newest line, our black label, let's say, our black
so you're
label.
giving us like a little bit more elevated decor.
So when you see by design, that's our elevated home decor.
Okay, so you're getting by design today, 2-pack. Remember, you're getting 2-pack individually boxed. Put one on a bow and give it away as a beautiful gift, or keep one, keep both. But bronze, only 250 left. If you're loving that bronze colorway, hurry, hurry, hurry and grab it. Remember, once we're out of stock of these, they're not coming back. You're the first to see silver and black. Scan that QR code, $5. Gets it home, free shipping and handling. What the heck?
My coffee was more than that.
Right? Oh my gosh, way
Hey,
more.
and I got that TS on. I got married this morning.
Me too. I love it. Wait till this thing
this is my
tracks your sleep. It's mind-blowing. It will change your life, I'm telling you.
Thanks,
Tad,
everybody.
thank you so much.
Thanks, Rebecca.
It was never long enough. Okay, coming up, what do we have coming up, Kyle? From Iowa. Where is it? Ooh, from Iowa. Okay, this transports me back to being a kid again, but now my kids can enjoy it. I can enjoy it all over again, but let me tell you, it does not have the features that mine had.